All right, that's 4,600, about 70, 71. All right, so about 70 mile an hour cruise at 4,600 either direction. We got 4440 at 67 miles an hour going straight and level. Yep, 4,400, 66 miles an hour. GPS says the same, so we'll do all our power on stalls first. We'll leave it 4,400. See where she stalls at. There's 50, 45, 42, 41. They're starting to burble at 41. Full back. Full back, it's hanging at 45, at 42, 60. Yeah, just hanging there. All right. Let's try 1 notch of flaps. There's 41. There's 40, 39, 39 miles an hour. Full back. Keeping it straight with the rudder. About 43, 41, 40. Okay, 1 notch, about 40 miles an hour. 2 notches, haven't changed the RPM, it's staying the same. There's 40, 37, 36, 35. Okay, 35, full back. Hanging right around 40, I'm full back on the stick. Okay, let it go. Bring in 3 notches. Keeping it at 4,400. There's 35, 34, full back. Going to 40, hanging right at 40 on full back. Okay, so about 35 miles an hour. Stalls, let's try the stall going this way with power off. I don't think we did that one, power off. I'm gonna start with 2 notches. All right, there's idle, 40, 35, full back, 33, falls off. All right, recover. Okay, 3 notches of flaps. Let's try it again. Full idle, 35, 33, full back, 35, 36. All right. About the same, about probably 35 mile an hour stall with flaps. And about in the right around 40 to 42 with no flaps. So we're gonna head back down and figure out where we're gonna put the vortex generators and give it another shot.